Hello and welcome to Mr. Wiley Teaches Math. Today we're going to talk about percent of a number. Percent of a number is really useful when we start talking about discounts and sale price and calculating tax and that sort of thing. So to find the percent of a number, first thing we're going to do is change the percent into its decimal form. Next, we're going to multiply the decimal by the number that we've been given to find the answer. And anytime we see of, it just means to multiply. So the first thing we're going to do is 24% of 53. So I'm going to first change the decimal fraction percent into its decimal, so 0.24. It becomes multiply 53. When I multiply those together, I'll get to my answer. So I'm going to take 53 and multiply it by 0.24. See what I get. 4 times 3 is 12. 21. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 5 is 10. I end up with 2 decimal places, 12.72. So I was thinking about what is a quarter of 50. So it's a pretty good estimate because if I take 12 times 4, it puts me at 48. That's a pretty good estimate there. 68% of 9. So I'm going to take 0.68 and multiply it by 9. So think about 0.68 on top because it's got more significant digits. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 6 is 54, plus 7 is 61, with 2 decimal places, 6.12. 93% of 5.2, so it's going to be 0.93 multiplied by 5.2. So 0.93 multiplied by 5.2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 9 is 18. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 9 is 45, 46. So 6, 3, 8, 4 with 1, 2, 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3 decimal places. So 4.836. All right, so to find a percent of a number, we multiply the decimal by the number. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the class website for additional notes and assignments.